Hello everybody, this is Carla, your Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. I know it's been a little bit since I've made a video, but I wanted to hop on tonight in my bare face. You can see every line and oiliness, but I wanted to show you one of my favorite Mary Kay skincare products. I posted a picture of this the other day and a few people have reached out and they wanted to see more. And this is the Mary Kay Hydrogel eye patches. It looks like this, or if you have the container open, it looks like this. And what I love about these, you get 30 in a pack, and they're little eye patches. They're gel patches that fit underneath your eye. So when you open the container, you get a little spatula. I don't know if you guys can see it, you probably can't, but you get a little spatula that looks like this, and you open it and you have all these little eye patches. There's 30 pair in there, and they're just little gel patches. They're real gel, and then they have a little bit of solution or a serum inside of there. And how you apply it, you can apply it on a clean face like I have now, or you can even apply it over your makeup. So I'm just going to use my spatula to lift it out. And sometimes they stick together, and that's okay. You can just use your spatula to pull them apart. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my spatula to pull them apart and to separate them. And when you separate them, you have individual thin little gel patches just like that. And it doesn't matter if you put the larger side towards the inside of the eye or the smaller side, but I like putting the larger side. And I'm just going to look down in my mirror. I'm going to put that on. And you want to avoid it getting in your eye, but you want to put it as close as you can get it. You see that? It's very thin, it's lightweight, it's very easy to apply. And I have my female customers as well as my male customers love these eye patches because they really help to soothe and cool the under eye area. They brighten and they hydrate the under eye area, and they also reduce puffiness. So if you have any puffiness, you just pop these on. You leave them on for up to 20 minutes. So up to 20 minutes, and then they've worked as much as they're going to work. And basically, again, like what I said, what they're going to do is hydrate the under eye area, soothe and cool the under eye area, reduce any puffiness, and help with brightening and radiance in the eye. And I really love these because it's very easy. You can pop them on in the morning or any time of the day. Do whatever you're going to do around the house. Get on the phone, do your little social media thing, or your Zooms for work, or whatever it is you're doing. People barely notice them. When they do notice them, they have all kind of questions about them. And just tell them how much you love them. The Mary Kay Hydrogel eye patches. You get 30 in a pack, just 40 bucks. How easy is that? So for all you people that reached out, and for you new people that have questions about them, send me a text, send me an email, message me, reply to this video, and I would love to get these in your hands today. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a good evening. Bye.